In Blender, we can write a paragraph with text object. Besides regular characters that can be typed with the keyboard, we can add special ones in a limited list. Or if you're familiar with Unicode, you can insert the code point value of the desired special character to the dialog box. There are hundreds of websites containing full Unicode tables you may want to reference to. For example, if you want to add a $sign to the text object, first copy code point value of 0024, then paste it to the dialog box and click Insert to confirm. Another example, if you'd like to add some emoji characters such as happiness or sadness, navigate to the emoji Unicode table. The corresponding value for happiness is 1F60, and the one for sadness is 1F614. Now back to Blender, and type one of those values at a time to insert those emoji characters to the text object. However, in some cases, our desired characters are not in the special list or cannot be added by inserting Unicode. We can make our own font and type it directly to the text object. For instance, if you don't like the way the happiness and sadness emoji characters from the Unicode table look, you can redesign them with your own style. First, create a collection of your font characters. Each character can be any object type, mesh, curve, surface, etc. Now we're creating a smiling face font character. Next, we're designing a font character for the sadness. Adjust font characters to a proper scale and position. An integral thing for the text object to recognize your font characters is naming. Luckily, it's quite easy. The name for each custom font characters consists of two parts. The left part is its font family name. The right one is a regular character to identify your custom font among the family. For example, for the smiling face font character, its family name is emoji dot, and its identifier is letter H. For the sad face font character, its family name is emoji dot, and its identifier is letter S. To insert your custom font characters to a text object, first fill the font family name in the object font property. Next, enable instancing vertices. Every character in the text object matching with any identifier in your custom font collection will be replaced with the corresponding custom font character. In Blender, each text object can be rendered with one font family. So when we use our custom font, the whole text will be converted. That is why some characters are hidden, because they don't match with any identifier in our custom font collection. Now we delete the whole text and type only identifiers, our custom font collection. Because the size of our custom font objects is different from the width of the converted font, we can adjust the character spacing for a better view. However, even after we adjust the character spacing, we still see interference between our font objects. The reason is that each character of the converted font has different width. So before enabling instancing vertices, we should change the font whose characters have the same width, such as monospace 821 BT or Courier.